Ebusham for aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for last week, SMBC Wakra. Now, Asem by now, Obia Swati say, yeah, a year military recruitment now. I mean, organization no, Ankoye. Now, organization now Ankoye no na easily predictable. Adentia, John Mahama His Excellency, Eba Abayemono, Obe President Biomuno. Nipa baku 15. Omuye top generals, some of the 4-star generals, 3-star generals, 2-star generals, are now more military nimuno. Opamo omunyina force omuse omunko retirement. And it's uncrofu amuna more experience. Ewo ya military emunyina no. Omunyina makochine fie. Some of them omunya appointments from international bodies. Sisi ayekasa no omunya omane mu biom. Because some feel say omane say omane here FM some services bioma international community there omu here. And na yenim say nneɛma baako mmienu ɛwɔ military ne ho deɛ ɛnkɔ yi na ɛno akyi no yɛtie sɛ nipa 6 na ɛwuiɛ sana yɛtie but ebusuanfoɔ still reports are coming say nipa dodo a ɛwuiɛ ɛwɔ sa Elwak Stadium Stampede ne mu no ɔmo yɛ 12 san report no still ɛba in fact for a member of parliament, Honorable Gloria Usu, to still be insisting, say nipan amuwi 12 no. Actually say there is some truth in this. Now, question now where beside who say, why is the presidency or the government of the day, the government communication spokesperson Felix Fosukwache, why are they trying to hide the actual numbers of Nkofwa omu lose your life ewa Accra Sports Stadium? Why? Esan say one of the reasons why I believe say this report is true in say the families that were visited because as I no see no and I say government abayano delegations be they went to visit all the families. Omu visit 7 families. 7. Na se mu visit 7 families actually say nipa 7 eneu enyesa. But you are still keeping the official number at 6. Meanwhile, you have visited 7 families. And you are giving more room for speculations. And the nipa oka say nipa 12 ne wono. Yet make us nipa no transfer and say you said it was 6, but you have visited 7. As I say, Abai embe clarifies asem no as a matter of urgency. Nipa dodo saying ne wuye ewa Accra Sports Stadium. The government must come and answer. Let's listen to the argument by Honorable Gloria Usu. Aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one.
Owu ya nidin cases no bia ba bonten ho akona busuafo ho akwachichiro mure and at least onim 1 plus the 6
na 7 no
and he's saying that the number is 12 not 6
hey
and the other than the aye normal under this government 11 months into the 4 years kwaya ni pay force wu okrom hanom no road accident armed robbery attacks violence, mining, illegal mining. Nipa ewu no. I say nipa wu enyeshe. We are normalizing death. I don't know. Obi nim kwa mo fa so nya power. Obi baba ko pe wawu. Just that. Who we are say obi obuso no suppose kusoja. Ye be ma musoja ni e o mabuso ndi a compensate mu. Such nonsense. Such nonsense. Ye be di ho nkoma na wotwe ni agya ika. Na bia saasi. and we think it is okay. Yo. A bedroom so. Kranka.
Batch.
Well,
Come in now,
young quay. Now what your bonus, young far ya boafo no emra.
Yo.
Na udi acha media mesiasem no. Some catch him say aso. Me huna medi home komo when I'm convinced that what I heard, what I saw.
Kabram can be
reality. Now me be bo asem so ha say Ashanti region ye MPs ni miensa. No, I said two. Enam eno moyo mu bia bro ni na wuntumi nkomo yi. Eno mu di bi no mu hye obi a wuntumi obedem. Oh wuntumi obekọ ye ne batum. Oh jai onye no na enya na asem ya de ade. Me wie no eno mu frafram no mu di matem. No mu send message.
Almost send it.
Mehu maka. Mejato. Last week minority leader eni kwaku da royal interview. Wanka.
Okay.
Asema mbeka wanka. Say eda o yeso omu machi akọ yoku honum no. Asemu a Ashanti region MPs miensa kaye ne yemu hye na ne rehoi. Minority leader meka. Me da mi una meka o. Mutia fine. Mwantia wode. Ebeduru ho.
Eno de.
Ajiza mehuna ajiza manti.
Kabram nka.
Don kuma semba ya mekoke omu di matemu a. Omu a lawyer dey appear ku bi ameka ne de. One so expensive food poison be suspected food poison. And the usu ye ne apani opa UK chairman wa ameka ne de.
Obakai.
Me de no. Yankwai.
Yo.
Entiano pay Adek SM Betes Gasto
Egu ho.
Mamenko line so me ne wa na edi nkomo. Honorable Gloria Owusu aye trouble MP. Menene monko momra. Good morning.
Good morning, Ohineba. Let's say.
Mi adumo number 2 wonso ho ye.
Ya mi ado mesume ho ye pa.
Obufo nyina ho ye.
Ya mi ado mo bia ho ye.
Yankopa ase. Mame ne kai emusa we ansa na makọ ade be mahunu wo socials no eso. Nanu ada finance minister wie bayati emma muti bibi wo mu a emma money da so 2026 ayebe wramu.
Oh, no, I think I thought class idea Women Development Bank here wo promise ye be hye ho bono obeka ho asem. But yeah, one come ho asem. So I know there another day the whole topic I was me pet time we need sika wo mu twa beto ho media budget 2025 almost omode kwa establish Women's Development Bank no. Ene ma titru ma ne nkola na allocation na me hwese de beko gender ministry am ye de abom ma ne nkola ho bra no. Ni nyina ye beka ho asem ye for another topic na abai we de see de kan aka tompe ma wo time ma esan say wo hwe nkola ewu ye Ohineba wonim say girls here ekowu ye they are more than 6.
Brunsia no.
Omo bro 6. Mi ankasa me constituency ekuro bo ho efre ho omanjo. Mi ankasa me constituency omanjo me no kasa ye prepare akoche abusuafo no. Girl ba akoka ho a ono omo amfa ne din ne picture ama. Enti me
okofie na sebi okofri mu na se incident ni si ye no na ofrim.
Incident ni si ye na no oka ho. Incident ni si ye na oka ho. Minim other constituency so a Omanjo ebu station akola no ehwo na ne maame ne nabusuafo wa me no ka say 3 days ago ye deputy interior minister ne MCE ne gender minister ekọ ma ebusua ne yakọ ni din ne picture ama out no enti girls no omo awunu de they are more than 6 na ya me wanwa so say Ohineba eye man kwa so na wuye eno na ya me ade wanwo eno kwa ni ade na me bisa me ho say Ohineba ye ti kromu ha na minister any army officers bikonya akwanhia ewuye omo wuye no president ma ye 3 days si wo morning san krofo no e ma ye lowa ye flags e wo Ghana nyina because asem kese aye dey esi they say ono na omo koye aban adwuma e na omo konya asa akwanhia ye o enkola we so ye nkola na omo so kope aban adwuma omo nya text message from Ghana Armed Forces na de call ho a atovenche we ye sia president ntimi am ye nyi 3 days ana ye nyi da bia nsi ho emabunu enkola omo ba ntimi am oni wom na meto an mabusa me ho say ade moja na bi sunu buche bia na ana said womu ye hiafo a womu ni bi enti womu ni kamafo enti na sama ya fefe so no ya ka ye nim de daache womu beye no a ye ntimi president ntimi amfa directive ma say ye money sa nkola we mu eno na ya another day me say nkola na omu awunde more than 6 omu brunsia so 6 per picture eni edi aba me no ka say anope ye ko manjo akoma abusiafo ne yakọ
yo na edi asem no akoka nkofo twetwe sane abasai ma hu se gosi brad kro bu sa ye de na akowura amrahye bedwafie o
yo ohine ba medase Thursday ni ye wie budget no aye ko me yapon aye ko na blogger baako eba me nchen be interview me ena obisam say NDC blogger obisam so budget na ye no mi hu ne senam so ye nyina ye nim dollar ba form inflations ni we ni nyina ye keka bagana for say reflect wo mu butom o pe dollar kwa kodu dwumadi kura wonye den wonya timi wie ye na guy no me no ka say ma forward video na ma guy no bebusa me say honorable na 2025 media budget na minister ne beka ne march no o ka se covid levy wa ye den we ye fi ho na me say na minister budget no beka ne march covid levy ben we ye fi ne kohwe o port ne other way se wo koto ade abo se covid levy ne ye den e wo ho a ye nyim fi ho na minim se fridge na ko ne be reflected there minim I was referring to 2025 budget na minister ne beka ye sana agenda owie ye no na
you will not be employed
Right.
until new schools, kindergarten crèches are built. You will not be employed. And the question is, how many hospitals were built in a year? The year under review or 2026? Because as we speak, we have 1 month to end the year, right?
Right.
So the hospitals will be as a your basis, you will
Please,
not build it.
language, please. This is an
Oh,
English
English.
class.
Okay. So it means the hospital will be arranged. We will not build it like we take this part and put it here, or put this part. Installation of machines alone takes roughly 6 months because they have to do test drive and all that. So let's come back to the real issue. My sister, if anybody comes here and tells you that he's going to implement 24-hour economy in Ghana, it's a lie. The system runs by it. Yes, the system runs by itself because you cannot legislature it. 24-hour economy cannot be backed by law because
Despite some budget allocation made in that regard.
it could be that, oh, I am going to incentivize certain people to run a 24-hour shift. And it is also possible based on demand and supply.
Right.
So if I'm a pineapple producer or a pineapple juice producer, and you are incentivizing me with 100,000 cities to run 24-hour economy so as I can employ more people, and my products are not being sold, if it's not purchased, if government is not helping me export this product to a different country that I will have some income, it's a wasteful venture. It's just as simple as that. And I hear people talking about the big push. My sister, can you tell me where is the source of funding coming? Has anybody been able to been informed that, listen, the big push is going to cost us this amount of money, and this is where we are going to get our funding? Typical example is when we had the is it Obechibilam runabout, Pokwasi interchange. We were told where the funding was coming from. Every phase of the project had an allocated money. Some
But
coming from ADB.
why are you being surprised? Because I remember in a BBC interview, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was asked by the journalist where the funding is going to come from. I'm sure the president at the time in opposition could not even tell us. But I'm
Exactly.
sure that as a government, just as they are making some deliberate decision when it comes to the investment in agriculture. I mean, once is a flagship program, just as President Akufo-Addo intentionally raised some funds to take care of free SHS. I'm sure that they can do that. Can we not give them that grace to have them implement this policy?
Okay. When Akufo-Addo introduced free SHS, Akufo-Addo was able to tell us where the source of money was coming from and amount of money that will be allocated or will be spent each year.
No, it's not true. That's not true.
Jay, hold on, please don't interject. I'm here. I'll fact check him. No, I think President Akufo-Addo was unable to
finish their talk.
You see,
just allow him.
You see, my sister.
Please don't interrupt again.
When Akufo-Addo was interviewed at the first time, he fumbled with the answer. But I'm saying
very good. So the answer came after.
Yes, but before
when he was in government.
No. For the first time when he was asked, he fumbled. But before he became president, when they asked him, he categorically said that we are sitting on oil and oil money will pay for. The first time he was interviewed, he fumbled. But the
point is, did the Eswal administration use the money from the oil to pay free SHS?
Yes, some of the revenue, some of the expenses.
Some of the revenue. So essentially, some were coming from the Heritage Fund.
Exactly.
I can lie you.
Please, don't. If not, I'll drop you. The next time you unmute, I'm dropping you. Please, I beg you. Obey the rules of the pitch. I beg of you. Thank you. Nana.
Thank you. So I'm asking, if people are happy about the big push, who are the contractors? What is the quantum of work that have been given? How much are we spending when we have already reduced our revenue generation by 8%? Because how do you call it? E-levy alone gives us about 6 or 7%. Now, COVID levy combined, let's say hypothetically, like 9% of the revenue that we are supposed to generate is down the drain. You scrap e-levy, but refuse to reintroduce toll levy. So what it is like, there's no tolls, we are not replacing what it is. I am for taxes because every developed country runs on taxes. I was thinking ATU was not going to increase VAT, but actually going to expand the tax net, that it will capture a lot of people. It will capture a lot of people to make contribution towards the development of Ghana, because if you take e-levy, which is a non-discriminatory tax from the system, if you take toll levy, which is non-discriminatory from the system, then it needs to be replaced by another non-discriminatory tax, which might have a local, or which should have a lower rate. Let's say probably 1% or say 2%. You've done none of those. Now, I want people to tell me, apart from the 3,000 cedis that was given to first-year students and the sanitary pads that were distributed, has this government made any significant payment to any service provider in Ghana? Has anybody?
So the finance minister mentioned that they paid, I think, around 70 million to the contractor on the Pokwasi Road. I think, guys, fact check that for me, but I think it's 70 or 90 million to the contractor.
I would like to see. I would like to see that. Well. I would like to see that.
Oh yes,
I would like to see that.
I think the finance minister mentioned that 70 million in an interview, and this was an interview, I think, on one of the stations. Yeah, that was said actually, and
there's a difference between being said and being paid.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Now let's go back to, I think, with the bondholders too. The bondholders, I'm sure that the
money did not come from this government, because the bondholders were paid within a month or 2 months of the administration, right?
But it was disbursed by this government.
Oh, sister.
Please, this is first of fact. I can't be quiet on the issues. But was it not disbursed by this government? Whether it was sitting in an account, who disbursed it?
Okay.
You just said that this government has not paid anybody.
I agree. I agree. My choice of words, I agree.
Thank you.
Sis, within 10 months of this administration,
right,
we have pumped over $3 billion into the system just to sustain the cedi and the dollar depreciation. Is this sustainable? is this sustainable? Can we? Is it doable?
Right.
What we are experiencing now is people have not checked Ghana history when there is a new government. From Osafo time to Kobna Dufour to Setepe to Ken and to Ato, the first year of every administration, what they do is they try to bring the city, they try to appreciate the city against the dollar and keep inflation at a single level digit. And then Nado, inflation went to I think 7% or so. I should be fact checked. So we should not be too excited because this government is not spending. The government at the moment is not spending. Service providers are not being paid. And I want to make a correction to my brother, the voice. When Atu was talking about, first of all, he was talking about the gestation period for the palm trees. And he also said that the equipment is not going to come in a year. It is going to be a continuous thing. So yes, we are not going to have all the machines provided in a year. It's going to be continuous because probably at every